Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to use Genmoji on iOS 18 and it's really simple. So the first thing you'll have to take account is first you must have an iPhone 15 or 15 series or 15 plus and 16 Pro Max or 16 lineup basically, and then basically tap the field right here. So when you are in your text messages, you tap your emojis in the bottom left corner, in the top right corner there's going to be this emoji right here. This is where you create your Genmoji, and then basically you type in what you want, and then from there you will have the Genmoji description basically just actually generating from ChatGPT with the integration of it, and there you go. Now you have it. You can add it to your own library, and you'll be able to use it in future references if you want to. So now that's how you use Genmoji in iOS 18. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.